Here's how to fix your Instagram swipe reply message not working. So as you can see here, if we want to reply to this message right over here, simply just swipe it, and then now I can reply to that message specifically. However, if you cannot do that, then I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. So first, what you want to do is completely update your Instagram app to the latest version. So you want to head on over to your Google Play Store or your App Store. And then in the search bar, you want to find Instagram, and all you're looking for is a button that says update. However, if it is fully updated, just simply click on open, and that should resolve it 99% of the time. However, if you're in that 1% and you need to find another way because that did not work, what you want to do is basically find your Instagram app in your phone, and now you want to press and hold on the Instagram app. As you can see here, it's going to bring up all these toggles, and you want to click on app info right over here. Now that you're in app info, you want to click on force stop, and then click on storage usage. Now you want to click on clear cache. So now you want to bring this number right over here to 0. And just to be safe, you can also click on clear data, but I'm not going to do that. And somehow, if that still does not work, what you want to do is shake your phone super violently. And then now this is going to pop up. So now you want to click on report a problem. And then click on include and continue. Now basically just explain to Instagram your issue. So basically you just want to leave a message to Instagram like this. See something along the lines of like, please enable my reply feature for me, thanks. And then simply click on send right over here. And now Instagram is going to take about 1 to 2 business days, and they'll get back to you and help you get your Instagram feature.